Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. To log into SurveyMonkey, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type www.surveymonkey.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. On the top right corner of the home page, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you have two options, entering your email and password, or logging in with Google or Facebook. If you choose to log in with email, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Ensure that there are no typos in your email or password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your SurveyMonkey dashboard. If the login fails, check your email and password for accuracy. If you are having persistent issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Once logged in, you can now access your surveys and account settings. Explore the various features available to you as a logged-in user. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.